for Aziz Bamba, who is lead counsel for Dr. Casey Latour-Forson, the audio recording forms a fundamental basis for the trial that is sitting here at the High Court. For him, it emanates on bad faith, because the Attorney General, at the time he was initiating these processes at the High Court, didn't have full fact as far as processes leading up to the signing of the contract and the LC were concerned. Then came the Attorney General. They sought to ask the court to disregard the audio recording and to not accept it into evidence, essentially saying that no proper foundation has been laid by the counsel for the first and the third accused for the audio recording to be tendered into evidence.
The judge was so clear that AG was not heard on that tape suggesting that the third accused person should implicate the first accused. So that is settled, sealed. And so today what they are seeking is to tender the same tape. So they said, fine, if you want to tender, you must show that it is relevant to the issues we are going to contest in this matter. And that's why we demonstrated that it is not relevant so far as the determination of whether they are guilty or not guilty, or the issues involved are concerned. So that's the difference.
In your argument, you mentioned that no proper foundation has been laid to accept this audio. What foundation were you looking forward to from the counsel for A3?
If you are conversant with the decision in Rafe Kubaji and Aka and others, it's to the fact that you cannot record someone secretly without a person's consent.
On his part, the communications director of the opposition NDC, Sami Jemfi, says he is hopeful that the court would admit into evidence the audio recording.
Listen to what the judge said. The judge said, however, bad faith, false or trumped up charges may be defenses in addition to any others, which may be considered in the assessment of all the evidence before the court when the judgment is being delivered. So the judge says that irrespective of all the defenses Latour-Forson and the accused persons have, they can add the defense of bad faith, and the fact that the charges against them are trumped up charges. How? And that the court will consider that in assessing all the evidence. If this tape, which shows clear bad faith on the part of the Attorney General, as a prosecutor-in-chief prosecuting a matter outside the court.
The case has been adjourned to Thursday when the ruling on this admissibility of the audio recording will be taken, and then the trial will continue when we would see Richard Jakpa mount the witness box again to be cross-examined by lawyers for Dr. Casey Latour-Forson, I must say. From the High Court complex, this is Latif Idris reporting for Joy News.